What's up, welcome back to the channel. So it is September 15th, and I'm sure most of you are probably like, what the heck is September 15th? It's just a normal day. Well, today is the day of the USACC group build, the 2024 and 2025 USACC group build. So, just in case you don't know what USACC build is, it's basically a build that most of the community, model car content creators get together and build a particular kit. So that particular kit for this year until next year is the good old Revell 1968 Dodge Dart Hemi. Such a really cool kit, such an iconic kit. So the USACC group build is basically a group build where automotive content creators get together and we build the same exact kit. This is the kit we're doing this year, and the picker for this year is actually Ken over at Ken's Custom, or what is it? Ken's Custom Garage? Yes, Ken's Custom Garage. I have to look his name up. Really cool guy. He's from a completely different country, and he loves doing these American muscle cars. So I kind of figured, since Lucasy did the video when we got to know who's picking for this year, I got thinking like, man, he's gonna pick a muscle car because I know what he likes to build and what he loves to build. Ken loves to do iconic muscle cars. So I got thinking like, man, what kind of muscle car is he gonna do? So it's really cool he chose this kit. This kit is really amazing. There's so many things that you can do to it. It's incredible. Do a stock, drag, whatever you gotta do, you can really go crazy this kit. So really cool he chose this kit because I've been wanting to build it, but I just never got a chance to. It's been my stash for a long time. I mean, it's been moved around my stash multiple times. I mean, I'm literally destroying the box. But we'll show you the little contents. Everything is all there. So really cool, really nice kit here. Stock tires, your slicks kind of here. Just your body, bunch of contents in there. Just really cool kit, really nicely detailed, and it just has a lot of parts into it. So we're not going to get into the box. We're going to show you what my plans are, and everybody's posting their build today, or their video today, because today is the official day that we're supposed to do so. But really cool. So ever since Ken announced the build or the kit that we're doing on September 1st, I got thinking, I was like, oh boy. So I was like, so I'm on Petrus, the app on my tablet, or Petrus.com, or even Google, trying to figure out what way I'm gonna do this. There's so many ways you can do this kit, this car, and you can do a stock custom, a dragster. You can do it like a full-on funny car dragster. You can do whatever you want. This car, you do basically whatever you want. So, and the cool thing is, everybody's building the same kit, and some people might say, man, that's kind of boring, you're all building the same kit. It's actually not. The part that I think is so cool that we're building the same kit is everybody's is going to be completely different from one another. Meaning, say there's 200 people in here. Out of those 200, we're all building the same kit within a time period. Everybody's going to be completely different. So say 20 guys builds the stock version, no aftermarket parts. Then they're gonna be different from each other. Either it's the color or the engine plant you choose or whatever. Everything is gonna be different from everybody's. So that's the cool part about this build. We're all doing the same kit, but yet it's just so endless what you can do to this kit, and everybody has their own plans. So my plan is, been looking at some internets and stuff. I love the stock version. The stock car is so beautiful, but yeah, I love basically the Pro Street version. I just couldn't decide. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix the two. We're gonna do a Pro Street and a stock car. So we're gonna put on one of these back halves, one of my back halves with the 4-link. We're gonna be doing a tub chassis on this. So that's gonna be pretty cool. So we'll do a tub chassis back half on this thing. But I do want this to be stock as well. So only thing that we're going to be going crazy on this is maybe the engine plant and of course the tub chassis. So with that tub chassis, we got to get some fat tires in the back. So we got some nice treaded street legal fat tires to go on the back. These are with weld. There we go, nice weld wheels. Then we got some sort of, like, basically some skinnies in the front. Not too skinny where they're not road legal, but they're still road legal. So we got our tire combo right here. You know, nice treaded, you know, street legal fat tires. For the interior, I kind of want to keep it all stock. I don't want no strip interior. I don't want nothing stripped in there. I do want this interior to be completely stock. But I did print these seats up. We'll see if we'll use them or not, but they're pretty cool. But we'll see. We'll see if I want them in there or not, but we'll see. So we got those printed up. We do have 2 of them, so we got those. And then for the engine plant, we are basically going to be using the engine that's in this. We are going to be using the 420 something, I forgot the name of it, 420 something Hemi, the dual carb. But we did use a 3D printed file one. The reason why is, well, this one has more detail. You can see on the intake, the block has a lot more detail than the one that comes in the kit. Even though the kit one is very detailed, there's no reason to not use the kit one. But basically the only reason why I printed this one is I want to use a supercharger. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a supercharged Hemi. So that's gonna be very cool. But yeah, look at the block on this. Just a lot more detail, really nice. So, and then your intake in there, and then we got all of our exhausts, headers, heads. You got your flywheel right there, even though it won't be seen, but you got your alternator right there. Just, you know, a lot more detailed on the 3D printed one. But like I said, the kit engine, it's very detailed for being a kit engine. It's really nice. So there's no reason to not use the kit one. The only reason why I printed that engine is so I can use the supercharger on it. So we're gonna be doing a supercharged Hemi. And then for one more thing, for being an add-on addition, we did pick up the Model Car Garage detail set. This is a photo etch set for the Dodge Dart. So really cool. I picked this up at the N.Y.S show this year. Regular 18 bucks, I got it for 15, so I can't complain. But this photo etch set is really cool. You do have your grill. You can see your grill inserts. Basically, you just paint your grill black, and then you have this insert. You can paint it chrome or just leave it alone. And then you get your stock hood thing. You got your stock hood right there. You got that. And photo etch. You get a license plate frame. You get your window cranks. Looks like rearview mirror, fan. You get your gas, brake, and clutch pedal, steering wheel insert right there. Just a bunch of stuff. You get your center console, which is really, really cool. And then you do have your GT badge or GTS badge, whichever version you want to do. So really, really cool. So this detail set's really gonna pop it, bring it out on detail. So that's gonna be very cool. So yeah, very, very neat. We got a photo etch set from Model Car Garage. Then one last thing is the color. I really want to do a candy. I really want to do a candy. I did see some of these custom Dodge Darts in the candy color, and they look so good. So with the Pro Street, you know, basically look I'm going to have to it, I'm thinking like a candy red is going to look really stunning. Or I do have a candy orange, might also look good. So we'll see. I'm thinking more towards the candy red, but also I think the candy orange is going to look really amazing as well. So we'll see between the two, but the candy red is really what I'm looking forward to, but I'm not sure yet. We'll probably do a test spoon, see which one I think will look really cool with the Pro Street look to it. But yeah, stock. So that's the way I'm going to take mine. I'm going to take it Pro Street-ish on the back half, but I want the stock interior. So we might not even use these seats, to be honest. I kind of want to use the stock seats, keep the back seats in there. We might add the roll cage because this kit does offer a roll cage, so we might add a roll cage just so it's legal for it to go drag racing if you want to. But yeah, it still has the back seats. Back seats will still be usable. You're just gonna have to climb through the roll cage. So it's just a half cage, you want to call it. But I think this is the way I'm gonna take mine. Like I said, I just couldn't decide doing a Pro Street or a stock car, so we're just gonna go ahead and combine the two. Use the big Hemi supercharge and put in a Pro Street back half, and then keep the exterior as stock as look as possible, but you know it's gonna have the fat tires in the back. So but the stock interior. So that's the way I'm gonna take mine, and I think it should be pretty cool. So we'll see how that turns out, but really cool. I can't wait to see everybody else's plans. So guys, check out on YouTube. Just look up the 2024 USACC or 2025 USACC group build. There's gonna be hundreds of videos, I guarantee you that. So everybody, pretty much everybody in the automotive modeling community gets in this group build. It's just us getting together as a model car community on YouTube, get together and build the same exact kit and see what we can do to them and see what difference they are that all of us make. Because I'm telling you right now, there's gonna be about 100, if not over 200 of us joining, building the same kit, and I tell you right now, every single one of those is going to be completely different. So that's the cool part about this. So I can't wait to see everybody else's builds. Again, I'm going to leave a link to Ken's channel down in the description. He's the picker for this year's build. So go check out what he is going to be doing in his plan. The main host of this group build is Lucas C. and Mark Betson. Those are the main hosts for the group build. So they're the founders of the group build. So I'll link them in the description as well. But I don't know, guys, that's it. I can't wait for it. And no, I don't have to start it right away because we're not going to be able to do our final reviews until March 16th. That's the end date. And then that's when everybody posts their final reviews. So I'm not going to start it right now. I do have 6 months. So, well, 6 months and 1 day actually. So very cool. So we have some time. So don't matter when I start it, but you're not going to be able to see it until March 16th of next year. So very, very cool. But all right, guys, awesome pick, Ken, and I can't wait to see everybody else's build plans, and I'm looking forward to it. But all right, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and until my next video, we'll catch you guys next time.